Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. And straight up, if you want to make more myEcon sales in 2025, then you need to be plugged into the right team and utilizing the right tools and services that are going to allow you to make the most amount of sales using what is working right now. And specifically in this video, I want to talk about getting into a sales rotator, specifically for myEcon, someone that is promoting your link for you, allowing you to generate more leads and sales by having somebody else do the work. And yes, the only place that you're going to get this is partnered directly with me and also partnered directly with our team. Now, I've done lots of other videos on what our team offers, legit, documented, proven, over $10,000 in free value, a done for you front end system that helps you promote myEcon. But if you want a leg up, if you want some assistance, if you want to help get your myEcon business up and off the ground quicker than the average person, then it's partnering directly with me and letting me plug you into my own personal sales rotator. Now, I'm going to show you some results here. I'm going to dive into this video a little deeper than I normally do in most of my myEcon videos. And I want to show you some actual proof and documentation. Now, first off, before I get into that, you need to understand results not typical. Okay. I make more sales than the average person. I have built larger teams than the average person. And I do that in a very specific way that has been proven to work over the years. Okay. So results not typical, but guess what, my friend? Don't be typical. Don't be like everyone else that starts and quits and starts and quits. Stick with something and stick with someone that has proven results over the years. End of story. So first off, let me show you how exactly this works. When you partner directly with me, I'm going to plug you into our team training site. I'm going to give you access to everything you need, over $10,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership. Then the very first thing that I'm going to do for you is I'm going to plug you into my own personal sales rotator. So how it works is when you're in my personal sales rotator, I email my email list every single day. So as I'm out there emailing my email list, your specific myEcon affiliate link is going to be in my links that I send out to my list. So let me head on over to my email list just so I can show you here. Okay, this is one of my multiple email lists that I have. And as you can see here, that's over 300,000 contacts that I have. And I email these lists multiple times per day. So just to show you some proof in the results, okay, this is my email inbox. Okay, you can see right here, I don't know if you'll be able to see the dates because I'm going to blur some of this information out, but you can see right here, I get myEcon sales every single day, sometimes multiple times per day. 2 sales in a day, 2 sales in a day, 3 sales in a day, 2, 2, 7, 3, 2. Multiple sales per day and sales every single day with myEcon. And it's because of, yes, the size of my email list definitely does play a factor into that. But I also have thousands upon thousands of followers out there on social media. And yes, having a big following and having a large email list definitely does help me make sales. Now, before you go thinking to yourself, okay, you do well because you have a big email list and you have a lot of, followers on social media. Yeah, I do. And if you're going to use that as a crutch or an excuse as to why you can't do this, you have to remember that 8 years ago when I got started, I didn't have a big email list. I didn't have followers on social media. I didn't have anything. I had zero. And you have to understand, everyone starts at zero. And it's up to you if you want to stay there. It's as simple as that. I chose not to stay there. I chose to learn how to build and grow an effective business, how to learn and grow and build to be an effective leader. I chose those things. You can choose those things as well. There's no difference between you and I other than I made the choice to move forward and figure it out. So you can either fall back on your crutch and use those excuses, and then you have to ask yourself, how long do you want to use that excuse? 3 months, 6 months, years? Do you want to keep using the same excuse year after year? Or do you want to put your excuses aside and follow a proven and documented system that can get you the results if you just do the damn work? Simple as that. So, like I shared with you, I make many, many, many sales. Now, some of those sales could be going to you because what I do, how my rotator works, is I email my list. Okay. So I just shared with you the amount of contacts that I have, which is a lot. And I'm going to open up one of my emails here so you can see it. I email my list every single day. And when I do, okay, inside of my emails, I will say at one point in my email, click here to lock in, and it'll say specifically right here, Rotator link. And I even describe to people and let you guys know, let the people know that are on my email list, right here, you will join someone other than me, but the next email I send out could have your link in it. So I take your link, I put it into my own personal sales rotator, and then I email my list. And to give you an example, over here in one of my ClickMagick accounts, okay, you can see it says right here, myEcon Rotator. This is the actual rotator link right here. And at the time of this video, that's 528 clicks so far this week. All of those clicks that are coming through in my email, those clicks are going to other affiliates, other myEcon affiliates links, not mine, other people that are in the rotator. And I'll open this up so you can see it, okay? And of course, I'm going to blur this out because I'm going to keep the names private. But you can see right here, this is my rotator, okay? And I rotate the names through here as people join. I plug you in. And what I offer to you is a minimum of 30 days or 100 clicks in the rotator. Once you reach that, you come out of the rotator and somebody else goes in. And it's as simple as that. And as I just mentioned to you, getting hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of clicks per week, that is how I'm helping more people get more sales. It's not about me. It's about helping build a team, and it's about helping people in myEcon realize that this is a business that actually works. This is a system that actually works. So let me give you one more example here, okay? These are one of my weekly sales reports right here. It says right at the top, team sales report. And I'm just going to show you, and again, I'm going to have the names blurred out, but right here, this person in the rotator, this person right here made sales in the rotator, okay? More, this person right here in my sales rotator made sales, okay? So, and I know for sure that some of these names are not actively promoting the business. They just happen to join. They made the decision to join and get into my rotator and let me do the work for them. So there's documented proof right here that people that are not actively promoting myEcon are still making sales because of my personal sales rotator. So plain and simple, my friend, if you want to use something that is proven and documented to work, if you want to partner with someone that has been doing this for years and knows how to make sales, then I don't know what you're waiting for. You can open up the link in the description down below. You can lock in, you get started. If you want more information and you want to see like the over $10,000 in free value that you actually get just by partnering with me and my team, that link is also in the description down below. You'll be taken to my full playlist, my full overview, which walks you through exactly what you get. And I'll even show that to you right here. So when you hit the link in the description down below, it's going to take you right here to my playlist. And it's a training series that walks you through exactly what you get when you partner with me and my team. I open up the doors and I show you inside of my system so you can see step by step when you lock in as a myEcon affiliate with our team. In these training videos, this is everything that you're going to get. I walk you through it from start to finish. So all of your sales funnels, we do the email marketing for you. You get your training app. You get thousands and thousands of dollars in free courses. You get everything you need to start promoting your business. So plain and simple, my friend, if you're looking to increase your sales, increase your results, increase your overall income in 2025, link in the description down below. Get yourself started, my friend. At the time of this video, it's only $9.95 to join myEcon as an affiliate. That's it. There couldn't be any more of a no-brainer. option for you out there to learn the right ways and use the right system to make real money online. Okay. So hit that link in the description down below, my friend. Get yourself started. As always, if you have any questions for me at all, I left my number at the top of this video. My number is also in the description notes down below this video. But don't hesitate. Don't wait. For less than $10 at the time of this video, you can get started, and I will give you over $10,000 in free value, a proven and documented system. I will plug you into my sales rotator, and I will help you get results as long as you don't give up and don't quit on yourself and you stay active. We're in this together, and you can get the help that you need and deserve. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.